Okay. So some construction involving triangle, page number 90. Let us look at construction number 1. Acha. For construction, couple of things will be given to you and you have to construct the shape, be it a triangle, be it a quadrilateral or a circle. Okay. So construction number 1, it says the base, at the an angle adjoining the base and the height to the triangle are given. Draw the triangle. Acha. Then the base, one line. Okay. Let us say this is our base. The base is represented by A. Then an angle adjoining the base. Okay. Then একটা angle দেওয়া থাকবে, মানে this angle is adjoining the base means this will be with the base. Acha, I will show you later. Let us say this angle is x. Okay. And height to the triangle are given. The height of the triangle. Let us say this is the height of the triangle. Okay. Now construct the triangle. So how to do that? Let us see. From any ray BE, I will tell you the steps as I am drawing it. Okay. From any ray BE, we cut BC is equal to A. Okay. From any ray BE, we cut BC is equal to A. Achha. At B, we draw a perpendicular BD. At B, we draw. Achha, eta eভাবে লিখতে হবে, at B, we draw BD, which is perpendicular to BC. Okay, at B, we draw BD, which is perpendicular to BC. In this way, you have to show. এটা আমি মুখে আসলে কিভাবে বলবো তোমরা বুঝবে না, তো এই কারণে লিখতে হবে। Okay. Then at B, we draw an angle. At B, we draw an angle CBF, which is equal to x. X এর ইকুয়াল করে একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল ড্র করব। এখন এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কিভাবে ড্র করে সেটা আমরা একটু দেখি। ফার্স্ট এখানে কম্পাস বসায় একটা আর্ক দিবা, ঠিক এখানে বসায় সেম একটা আর্ক দিবা। ওকে। দেন এই যে এতটুকু মেজারমেন্ট নিবা, কতটুকু আমি আসলে ক্লিয়ার দেখাতে পারতেছি কিনা জানি না, এই যে এতটুকু, এই মেজারমেন্টটা নিয়ে এখান থেকে একটা কাট করবা। এই যে এই পয়েন্টে বসাই, এই পয়েন্টে বসে একটা কাট করবা। তাইলে এবার এটা জয়েন করে দিলে আমরা, তোমরা আসলে একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল ইকুয়াল করে আরেকটা অ্যাঙ্গেল কিভাবে আঁকতে হয় সেটা গ্রেড 10 উঠে গেছে, এখন জানার কথা। I'm just giving you idea. So x এর ইকুয়াল করে আমরা CBF একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল আঁকলাম, ঠিক আছে? We draw an angle CBF at point B, which is equal to x. Okay? Then from BD height, তাই না? Height আমরা perpendicular থেকে কাটবো, remember. Height we will cut from the perpendicular. So from BD we cut BG equal to h. Okay. From BD we cut BG which is equal to h. So এটা ইকুয়াল নিয়ে এখানে এটা কেটে ফেলবা। Then what we have to do? We have to draw a line. Let us say this is GH. We have to draw a line GH which is parallel to BC. এটা এভাবে দেখাতে হবে যে we draw a line GH which is parallel to BC. এখন এই BC এর লাইনটা কিভাবে আঁকতে হবে সেটা হচ্ছে, তোমরা এখানে আরেকটা পারপেন্ডিকুলার আঁকতে পারো। এই G পয়েন্টে যদি আরেকটা পারপেন্ডিকুলার আঁকো দেন তাহলে এটা এরকম হবে, ঠিক আছে? তো কিভাবে আঁকতে হবে সেটাও বলে দিলাম। Now GH intersects BF at point A. GH, this line intersects BF at point A. Okay, then we join A comma C. So ABC is our desired triangle. কারো বুঝতে কোনো অসুবিধা আছে?
No sir.
আচ্ছা, angle adjoining the base, এটা যেটা বলতে চাচ্ছিলাম সেটা হচ্ছে, দেখো বেস এটা না, বেসের সাথে লাগানো একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল হবে কি আমার x, ঠিক আছে? তুমি যদি x অ্যাঙ্গেল এটা নাও তাহলে কিন্তু হবে না। কেন হবে না? কারণ এটা বেসের সাথে অ্যাডজেসেন্ট না, এটা বেসের অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল। বেসের সাথে অ্যাডজেসেন্ট হচ্ছে এটা, বেসের সাথে অ্যাডজেসেন্ট অ্যাঙ্গেল হচ্ছে এটা। ওকে, এই দুইটার মধ্যে যে কোনো একটাকে তোমার x নিতে হবে। ওকে, তুমি যদি চাও তাহলে x অ্যাঙ্গেল আসলে এটাকে আঁকতে পারো, এই দিক থেকে x একে তুমি যদি করো, দ্যাট ইজ অলসো ওকে, নো প্রবলেম। That will also be a base adjacent angle. So I will just review. Okay, I will tell you the steps in which way you have to write. Okay, at first, particular enunciation. In particular enunciation, you have to write the base of the triangle A, base adjacent angle, base adjoining angle x, and the height h of a triangle are given. We have to draw the triangle or construct the triangle. Now the steps. From any ray BE, we cut BC equal to A. At B, we draw BD perpendicular to BC. Okay. Then again, at B, we draw an angle CBF, which is equal to X. Then from BD, we cut BG equal to H. At G, we draw GH parallel to BC. GH and BF intersect each other at the point A. We join A comma C. So ABC is our desired triangle. Okay, তো তোমরা যদি কেউ স্টেপস গুলো লিখতে চাও, বইয়ের স্টেপস গুলো অনেক সময় জানি না, অনেকে বোঝানো হয়তো, তো তাইলে তোমরা কি করতে পারো, এই ভিডিওটা পজ দিয়ে দিয়ে দেখে দেখে তোমরা শুনে শুনে লিখতে হতে পারো, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, so this is construction number 1. Before I move to the second construction, I want to ask, do you have any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So then we have construction number 2, where three informations are given. The base, let us say the base is this one. This is construction number 2. And then again the vertical angle, one angle will be given. So let us say this is the angle which is x. Then the sum of the length of other two sides. In a triangle there are three sides. One side is given as base and there are other two sides, right? So the summation of the other two sides is given. Now what does that mean? Let us say the length of other two sides are 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So the sum of their length will be 5 plus 3, 8 centimeter. So the summation of them is this. Kindly take care of this, that S is definitely greater than A, because we know that for a triangle, okay, the summation of any two sides is greater than the third side. The summation of any two sides is greater than the third side. That is why the summation of these two sides has to be greater than A. If you do not take this greater than A or equal to A, if you take this as equal to A or less than A, then what will happen? You will not be able to construct the triangle. Okay, so make sure that S is greater than A. Okay, now let us see how to draw it. At first, from any ray BE, we cut okay, they wrote B. Okay, from any ray DE we cut DB is equal to S. That means the summation of the side, not the base. Remember this one. Okay, from any ray DE we cut DB, which is equal to S. Now at D we need to draw an angle that is equal to x by 2. That means half of this angle. So at first we need to bisect this angle. We need to bisect this angle. So if I bisect it, I have to draw a arc here, then from here I will draw one arc here, from here I will draw another arc, so I will be able to bisect it. So this angle now is x by 2. So equal to this angle, we will draw an angle here. This is x divided by 2. Remember this one. I hope you will be able to draw it, okay, in the similar way. An angle equal to angle. Okay. Now, centering B, we have to draw an arc. Okay, so whenever we are drawing an arc, we have to mention two information. To draw an arc, you need two information. Number one information, where is the center, and number two information, what is the radius. Okay, well, whenever you have to draw an arc, you need two information. Where is the center? I will tell you the center is at B, and what is the radius? The radius will be A. Okay, so taking B as center and A as radius, we draw an arc which intersects, let us say this is F, which intersects BF at point C and C prime. Okay, now here you have to be a little bit careful. Why you have to be a little bit careful? Because sometimes if you take A too small, let us say you have taken A too small, then what will happen when you draw the arc will be like this. Okay, and as a result, there you won't get any two intersecting point. That time it is a problem. Okay, and sometimes you take the A too much large, that the arc goes like this outside your paper. So you have to take it logically. Okay, my suggestion is, at first, take B as center and take any radius you want, which is comfortable for you. Take the radius and draw an arc. তোমার সুবিধা মতো একটা আর্ক ড্র করে ঠিক সেই মেজারমেন্টটা নিয়ে এখানে একটা কাট দিয়ে ফেলবা। তখন এবার এ এর সাইজটাকে রিসাইজ করে যতটুকু দরকার ততটুকু নিবা। তাইলে উল্টাটা করবা, ঠিক আছে? বি থেকে আগে একটা আর্ক ড্র করে ফেলবা, যতটুকু আর্ক ড্র করছো ঠিক সেটা কি করবা, এখানে কেটে দিবা। তাইলে বুঝে যাবে তুমি কতটুকু নিয়ে ওখানে এ আনছো। ক্লিয়ার? So taking B as center and A as radius, draw a arc which intersects DF at C and C prime point. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to join C comma B and C prime comma B. Okay, the next step is, at point C we have to draw BCA. We have to draw an angle BCA. Let us say this point is A. Now what will be the measurement of this angle? X by 2. Okay, at C we will draw an angle BCA which is equal to x by 2, and at the C prime also I will do the same. At C prime also I will draw an angle which is equal to x by 2. Actually this and this line should have been parallel. Okay, if you draw it properly then it will be more or less parallel, but parallel. Okay, so this is also equal to x divided by 2. So A, B, C and A prime, B, C prime, these two are our desired triangle. Okay, so we got two desired triangle here. One A, B, C, another one is A prime, B, C prime. Okay, let me tell you the steps again. Okay, from any ray DE, we got DB is equal to S. Then at D we draw an angle BDF which is equal to x by 2. Okay, then taking B as center and radius equal to A, it is DC and DC prime, these are equal to A. Taking radius equal to A, we draw an arc which intersects DF at C and C prime point. Okay, so we join B comma C and B comma C prime. Then again at the point C we draw an angle BCA, okay, equal to x by 2, and at point C prime we draw an angle BC prime A prime, okay, which is also equal to x by 2. So A B C and A prime B C prime, these two are our desired triangle. Okay, do you want to ask me any question?
So can you please tell what are the triangles here?
Huh?
Can you please tell it again, like what are the triangles here? এতগুলো triangles বুঝতে তো পারতেছি না।
These two are the desired triangles. It is hard to actually point out from here because my drawings are not clear. Okay, I will tell you. I will mark it for you. Okay, first triangle is this one, ABC. Okay, and the second triangle is this, A prime B C prime. Okay, can you locate the two triangle now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I will try to do, I will try to draw it in a paper, okay, keeping the phone above and try to record it, and then I will try to send you. But if I cannot, then I will provide you this video itself. You try to repeat the process, and if you cannot, then ask me. I will try to help you as much as possible. Now the thing is, be careful when you are going through the steps of the books, because I just found there are some the steps are written in a wrong way. Okay, especially I noticed step 4 of construction 2. It is just written the opposite. Okay, they wrote at the point C, draw BDF equal to DCA. It will be the opposite of this. We have to draw DCA is equal to BDF. They wrote it, so please be careful. Okay, and try to understand. If you try to understand and then write, then you will find this discrepancy, and then you will be able to rectify it. Okay, so without understanding, do not write a single line. Okay, understand the steps, then go for it. These are very easy. So today up to this, inshallah. Okay.
Sir, don't we need to show the proof?
Huh?
Don't
Proof
we need to
is
show the
not
proof?
needed. No. Proof is not needed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Acha. Now let me inform you one more thing, that here actually we do not have any given measurement for the base, the angle, and the summation of the side, right? But in the exam, it is very likely that you will be given the value of them. Okay, so at that case, you don't have the liberty to take any length you want. Okay, so you have to follow that measurement. Whenever the length of the base is given as 3 centimeter, you have to take it 3 centimeter. Remember this one. Okay, not make this mistake. Okay, as I told you that you can adjust this. Okay, whenever you are drawing the arc, you may adjust the value of A. This one only you can do whenever the value of A is not given in the question. But if it is given in the question, you don't have any option. You have to follow that. Okay, and using that, inshallah, you will see that a fine two intersecting points you are getting. Okay, if you don't get, then don't worry. Draw up to which it can be drawn with the given information, then you will be awarded full marks. No worries. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Acha, okay. Acha, many of you actually did not submit the assignment. I am tired of telling this again. From now on, what I have decided, I will not actually, inform any one of you that you did not assign. It's like I have become a beggar now. The submit assignment. You have to get marks. You have to get marks, but nobody is getting serious. Very less people are actually serious. Okay, so it's okay. It's up to you. It's your mark. Okay, so from now on, whatever you submit, I will not, give you any kind of warning. Whatever you have submitted, I will just give mark based on that. And if I did not find anyone's assignment submitted in Google Classroom, okay, then I will not award him any mark. You must find some way to submit it. Okay, in life you will encounter many problems. Okay, you must learn how to encounter them, how to come up with the solution of that. Okay, you cannot just always give excuse of, oh, my net is this much, my net is that much, oh, my phone went somewhere. You cannot give excuse like this. Always try to come up with some solution. Okay, thank you very much for joining. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And as you know, Sunday is off. Inshallah, we will meet on Monday. Okay. In
Okay, sir.
between, for any problem, you may contact me other than the submission of assignment. Okay. Nobody should request me anymore that the assignment should be submitted in WhatsApp, because it is very hard for me. Because later when I check the assignment, I see, oh, Yunus have not submitted. Oh, I have to check now. Have Yunus submitted in WhatsApp or not? Like many of you are there, and there are other grades also. So it is very hard for me. Okay, try to understand this one and try to submit in Google Classroom. Thank you very much.